Today's video is going to be a total game changer for your creative journey because I'm about to pull back the curtain on the most powerful automation breakthrough I have ever discovered. Once you see this workflow in action, the days of straining your brain and staring at a blank screen for YouTube ideas are officially over. It is a massive engine for anyone serious about YouTube automation. You can use this system to copy the strategy of any niche and replicate that winning formula with one click. And the best part is that this tool is completely free to use and can help you structure entire video concepts with unbelievable speed. Today, I'm taking you through a step-by-step masterclass on how to set up this automation system so you can finish hours of research and writing in mere minutes. Grab a notebook and let's get started. Let's look at this specific channel as our case study. And today we aren't just going to look at it, we are going to clone its essence. Now, let's be clear, by cloning, I don't mean we are going to steal their actual video files or copy their scripts word by word. Instead, we are going to replicate the core concept, the psychological triggers, and the unique strategy that makes them successful. When you look at this channel, you see millions of views and a fully monetized status. But if you look closer at the production value, they aren't using Hollywood level editing. They are using high-quality psychology-related images and AI-generated visuals arranged perfectly to match a compelling AI voiceover. According to Social Blade, a channel like this is easily clearing anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 every single month. And guys, with the AI-driven method we are using today, building a channel of this caliber is surprisingly straightforward. The first tactical move is to gather data. We need to copy the links of the most popular, high-performing videos from this target channel. Go to their popular tab, copy those URLs one by one, and save them in your notepad. The more data you provide the AI, the more accurate your results are going to be. Once you have your collection of links, it's time to activate our secret weapon that is NotebookLM. Head over to the NotebookLM website. Now, here is the secret. Most creators know how to find an AI voice or generate random images, but they face a struggle in the process of structural editing and research. This is where NotebookLM absolutely shines compared to everything else on the market. We're going to click on Create a new notebook to initialize our project. Once the workspace loads, a source pop-up will appear. Select the website's option at the bottom and paste all of those viral video links into the input box. Click Insert and you'll see the magic start. On the left side of the screen, the AI begins a deep dive analysis of those videos. It doesn't just look at the titles. It understands the topics, the emotional hooks, and the underlying themes. To keep our work professional, let's rename this notebook to Psychology Niche Blueprint. This ensures all our research stays organized as we scale. Our ultimate goal is to build a channel that rivals the best in the business. To do that, we need the AI to act as our strategist. Paste this specific prompt into the chat box. I want to master this niche. Please review all the provided website resources and give me a detailed breakdown of the target audience, the script structure, the emotional hook style, and the title formulas used here. Almost instantly, the AI will give you the DNA of the channel. It tells you exactly why people are clicking and why they are staying until the end. Now that we have the strategy, we need a brand identity. In the same chat, ask it to generate 10 unique, catchy channel names that are easy for a global audience to remember. Ask it to explain the psychology behind why each name works. Check the description if you want to copy these exact prompts. One of the reasons I prefer NotebookLM is because it's a Google product. It has a deep understanding of what the YouTube algorithm looks for in terms of relevance. If you tried this with a standard AI like ChatGPT, the results would be generic one, but here you're getting practical, actionable knowledge that actually leads to channel growth. I'm sharing this because I want to see you succeed where others usually give up. Now, choose the channel name that resonates with your niche. Alright, now we need a content calendar, and simply paste this prompt using the strategy we defined. Give me 10 completely original video ideas. For each idea, include a curiosity-driven title, a 30-second opening hook, and a summary of the core message. The AI will provide a goldmine of topics. When you find an idea you love, simply copy the entire thing. Now, here is a pro tip. Go back to the NotebookLM homepage and create a new notebook for that video idea. Paste your idea into the copy text section and hit insert. By isolating each video into its own notebook, you keep the AI from getting confused by other topics. Now, for the script and within your new video notebook, use this prompt. Based on the summary provided, write a full, high-retention YouTube script. It needs a high-energy hook, a clear and educational body, and natural spoken-style dialogue that feels human. Within seconds, you have a professional-grade script ready for production. Copy that full script and head back to the source section of your notebook, add a new copy text option, paste the script, and label it Video 1 Script. This is how you stay organized when you're managing multiple uploads. Now, look at the right-hand interface. You'll see several powerful features, but the one we want is the video overview engine. When you click this, you'll get 3 distinct paths. First one is cinematic, which is best for high-impact visual storytelling. Second is explainer, which is perfect for educational or how-to content. And third is brief. Use this only for quick summaries. For now, let's select explainer for our psychology niche. Below that, you can choose from multiple languages: Hindi, English, Spanish, whatever your target market requires. Under the visual style menu, you can select whiteboard for a clean educational look, or custom to describe a specific aesthetic like dark theme or minimalist vector theme. Alright, now let's hit generate and see what the AI produces.
Section 1. The Good Person Trap. Let me ask you something. Have you spent your entire life trying to be the good person? You know the habit I'm talking about, right? Swallowing your anger, softening your words, basically twisting yourself into knots just to avoid disappointing other people. But here is the shocking paradox we really need to confront today. Being good is actually keeping you weak. I mean, think about it. What if this endless, totally exhausting pursuit of being the good person is the exact thing driving your anxiety and your unhappiness? Okay, let's dive into this in Section 2, Nietzsche and herd morality. So to really wrap our heads around this trap, we have to look to the philosopher Friedrich Nietzsche and his famous concept of herd morality.
The results are incredible, but if you want more movement and wow factor, switch the mode to cinematic. This will generate more dynamic transitions and depth in the imagery. Let's look at the result of cinematic option.
Have you spent your entire life trying to be the good person? You know exactly what that feels like. Swallowing your anger, softening your words, and twisting yourself into knots just to avoid disappointing the people around you. People who play this role most effectively are rarely the most at peace. Usually, they are the most exhausted and anxious people in the room. Instead of following the rules handed down by the collective, the overman relies on their own clarity. They decide what is valuable based on their own strength and goals. We have to look through the eyes of Friedrich Nietzsche. Nietzsche identified a social framework he called herd morality. In this system,
we have the content, now we need the clicks. To get those suggested video views, we need curiosity-driven titles. Simply paste this prompt into the same chat and hit generate. You'll instantly receive 10 eye-catching titles for your video. Just choose the best one. The next vital step is a high SEO description. A strong description helps YouTube identify exactly who should see your video. Simply use this prompt and hit generate. All prompts featured in this video are available in our Telegram group, so be sure to join. The link is in the description. Finally, let's move to the final step of this masterclass, creating an eye-catching thumbnail. The thumbnail plays the most important role in getting clicks on your video, which is ultimately what makes your video go viral. You can use Canva or even leverage advanced AI tools like Gemini for high-end thumbnail generation. If you want to learn exactly how to create a viral thumbnail using AI absolutely for free, then simply comment down below and I will make a dedicated video for you guys. In that video, I'll show you how you can clone any successful thumbnail while adding your own unique touch to stand out. If you love this content, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more of these automation hacks. See you in the next video. Bye.